What's up, Old Souls fam? This is a crazy vlog. I can't believe I'm making this vlog, first off. I made a brand new Maripool target top, and I made it. It's here. I'm gonna show you guys. It took us, I don't know, 9 months since we bought a Maripool, not knowing anything about it at all. Not knowing what we were gonna get, not knowing what condition the molds were in, not even know, I don't know how to make these things, or I didn't know how to make these things. I don't know who was gonna help me make them. I don't know where we were gonna make them. I didn't know anything 9 months ago. Speed it up. We're here today, and I'm gonna show you guys the very first Maripool top. I'm just so excited. This is something that is a prized possession in the Del Sol community. They're usually pretty beat up when you're able to locate one. They're really hard to locate. People don't want to get rid of them. Everybody wants one, and this is really the first step forward in everybody potentially being able to have one of these. All right, everybody, so here it is. The very first OldSols SUNTOP. It looks amazing. It's brand spanking new. I am just really happy how it came out. I mean, it couldn't have came out any better at all. Everything on it is 100% perfect. Let me flip it over here for you guys. We opted to go with the blue variant of the top, and I don't think I've ever seen a cleaner Maripool top like this. I mean, it's so clean, it's not even funny. There's some smudges on it right now, but you can see the reflection in there and just how nice it is. All right, so here it is on the car. It fits so snug and so right in all the lines. I can't even believe it. It's just all the way. It fits so nice. Right on where the original OEM target top would fit. On the inside, it fits just like a glove. It's crazy. I mean, it's really nuts. Okay, so I just wanted to clarify some things in this vlog, and then in a lot of other vlogs after this, we're gonna be getting into more SUNTOP stuff. But this was just kind of a, hey, we made one, I can't believe it, I wanted to show you guys kind of vlog. The SUNTOP that I made has to go through quite a bit of testing before I feel comfortable making these for you guys. As you saw, it went on my Del Sol. It all lined up nice. All the seals connected with all of the roof and everything like that. But I haven't really got it out and driven with it on yet. I haven't sprayed it with water. I haven't power washed it yet. I haven't let it sit in the rain yet. I mean, I got to do all those things to make sure that these are 100% right on the money. Because if something's wrong, I'm not going to be making a lot of these just to send them out to you guys, and you guys find some issues or this and that. So I got to make sure, just for my peace, that I have these 100% right. So that being said, I have this one, and we have 3 more in production right now that I'm going to do the same thing with, because I want to make sure that we're not getting any abnormalities, we're not getting any heat variances, we're not getting any weird bends in the roof or anything like that, so that each time we make one of these, it's going to come out just like that one did. And hopefully that's the case, but I just wanted to let you guys know kind of where we're at in this process. Even though I know it took like forever for me to make this, but that's okay. I told you guys many times before that we're gonna make these and these are gonna come back. I just gotta make sure we do it the right way. So that being said, I'm super excited that we made one and now we gotta make some more and we got to make sure they're right and they work on the cars. I know you guys are asking, what's it gonna cost? What's it gonna cost? What's it gonna cost? Well, I don't really know what it's gonna cost yet. It costs us a lot to get to this one. So we made the one and we're gonna make some more and then we're gonna go from there, and hopefully each time we make another one, I get a little bit better at it. I get a little more comfortable making with it. This one was just like, oh my God, don't mess anything up, don't mess anything up. And it came out fine. So I don't know what it's gonna cost yet. It's gonna come out. We're gonna let you guys know. We're not quite ready yet. But all things have to start somewhere, and this is an amazing first step for SUNTOPS. So hang in there. We're working on them, I promise. Like I said, we're making 3 more, and I don't need that many SUNTOPS. I only have 1 Del Sol. So once we get making more of these and they get on my car and I make sure they're okay and all this, then we're gonna start making these available to you guys. So just hang in there, I promise this is gonna be great. We have a lot of cool upgrades for these in the future, a lot of different variants, a lot of different materials, so much possibility we can do with these. It's just, I gotta get going on doing this the right way and making sure none of us, including you guys, have any issues when you order one, we send one out. I don't know what they're gonna cost to ship yet. I wasn't unfortunately around when these were made prior. I don't have any knowledge of anything. We didn't get any documentation. We didn't get any know-how. Nobody really wanted to help us remake these things. So it's kind of starting from scratch. But that being said, we did make one. The process works. You guys can see it and it's exciting. So thank you all for hanging in there. Super exciting. I'm sorry that it took so long, but I'm not sorry at the same time because these are fucking awesome. And I can't wait till everyone has an opportunity to get one and the Del Sol community can enjoy these again. So hopefully in the future, we'll have more vlogs explaining stuff, showing you more cool variants to these things, a little more backstory on stuff. So much possibility. I don't really know yet, but now I'm just rambling and I need to end this or else I'm just gonna keep talking to you guys. But these are gonna be amazing and I can't wait till I really hone down the process. I can crank these out and we can start getting these out in the real world and you guys can enjoy them as well. So thank you all for all the support and the info you've shared with me, all of the, I had one of these back in the day, these went wrong, this went wrong, look out for this, look out for that. Like, this is a huge community effort, and even though it's just me taking on this kind of burden, it's everybody's in this together because we want to save these Del Sols. We want new, exciting stuff for the Del Sols, even though they're so old, and this is all part of the community. So here is to the second half of this year being super awesome, super productive. We're getting these out to you guys, and you guys can start enjoying them. So until next time, peace.